Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to make the sender name appear in Outlook so you can see who sent each email right away in your inbox view. Let's jump straight into it. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. Wait for all your emails to load completely before moving forward. This ensures that any changes you make will apply properly to your entire inbox view. Once your emails have loaded, navigate to the View tab located at the top part of your screen. This is where all your viewing options and layout controls are stored. Click on the View menu to open it up. This section gives you access to different ways of organizing and displaying your emails, which is exactly what we need for this tutorial. After the View menu opens, look for the Change View dropdown located on the top part of your screen and click on it. From the additional options that appear, click on Manage Views. This opens a new window called Manage All Views, which lets you customize exactly how your inbox displays information. From here, click on Modify. An advanced view settings window will appear on your screen. This is where you can control the columns and fields that show up in your inbox. Look for the Columns button and click on it to proceed. A Show Columns window will now appear. You'll notice that the available fields are located on the left side panel and the fields currently in use are displayed on the right side panel. This layout makes it easy to add or remove fields from your inbox view. Look for the From field on the right side and click on it to select it. This field represents the sender name, which is what we want to prioritize. Once it's selected, click on the Move Up button. This action prioritizes the sender field, moving it higher in your inbox display so it's more visible. Once you've done that, click OK to confirm your changes. Now head back to your inbox pane and look for the sort dropdown located at the top part of your messages. By default, this is usually set to by date, but we're going to change that. Click on the sort dropdown, and from the sorting options that appear, select From under the Arrange By section. This reorganizes your inbox so that emails are grouped by sender, making it much easier to locate messages from specific people. And that's it. You've successfully configured Outlook to display and prioritize the sender name in your inbox view. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.